Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new Bluetooth speaker to show you all. It's a premium quality 20 watts powerful Bluetooth speaker with some awesome features. And the special thing is, this speaker has a built-in equalizer with different music modes. I bet you've never seen something like this before. It's made by Netgen and the model of the speaker is Morgen. The Bluetooth speaker has a vintage radio kind of look and I'm pretty excited to unbox and check it out. And this is how the box packing looks like. It says super bass and clear sound. The Morgen is a stereo hi-fi Bluetooth speaker that can produce 20 watts of output and also has NFC support. Let's see what else is written on the box. At the back you've got some features of the product. It's a wireless speaker, has a huge 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, can be used in both Bluetooth and aux mode, has a built-in microphone, NFC support for super quick connection, and there's also a special DSP chip inside which enhances audio and produces ultimate quality sound. So those were all of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this and inside we've got this black box. So let's open it and check out the product. I want to thank Netgen for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. So this is how the inside looks like. I think this is the handle of the speaker. Let me just take it out. Yep, I was right. And along with that there's also a mini box inside. Must be for the accessories. So these are all the items we got in the package. And here is the Netgen Morgen Hi-Fi Bluetooth speaker. Wow, looks awesome. This thing is quite big in size and is also heavy, easily weighs around 1.2 kgs. I love the look of the speaker. We'll talk about it in a moment. First let me show you the other stuff we got in the box. You get a user manual, just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And in this box you get a USB cable for charging the speaker and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Now let's finally check out the product. So here is the Netgen Morgen wireless speaker. It has a retro vintage kind of look and I absolutely love the design. The entire speaker has a fabric grille covering that gives it a splendid and delicate look. It comes only in carbon grey color and has a full metal body. Even the handle is entirely made of aluminum. On the right side you've got an aux port and a micro USB port for charging. Here's the handle. It's got a plastic cover wrapped all around it. Let me just remove that. Wow. The build quality of the speaker is top notch. It looks super tough and durable. At the top you've got the controls, you've got two knobs, a buttons and also NFC. The right knob is used to adjust the volume and it also has touch controls on the knob. You can swipe left or right to skip the music tracks. Both the knobs have geared movements and are of really high quality. The left knob is used to set the EQ mode. This is the only speaker that I've seen in this price comes with an EQ adjust. You've got normal, jazz, rock and dance modes. You can change the EQ by rotating the knob. And in between both the knobs you got the power button. Now let me show you the bottom part of the speaker. So this is how the bottom looks like. You got two large rubber foot pads on both the ends and some info regarding the product at the center. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me power it on, connect it to my phone, play some music and check out the audio quality. Let me tell you this guys, I was totally blown away by the sound. The audio quality was amazing. It's a stereo speaker, has two 10W 52mm drivers that produce a total output of 20 watts. The mids were crisp and clear, you could clearly hear the dialogues and the vocals felt warm and mellow. The high frequency response was also very good. The treble felt silky smooth. And talking about the bass, the Morgen has a special tuned bass reflex port and was producing punchy and deep bass. I really loved the bass on it. Honestly speaking, this is one of the finest Bluetooth speakers I've seen in this price range. The total harmonic distortion was also very less even at max volume. And the audio output was also really high. It's more than enough to have a nice party at your home. This speaker also has a built-in microphone and the quality of the mic was good during call conversations. Now let me show you all the different EQ modes and see how the audio sounds like. Till now we were listening in the normal mode. Now let's switch to the jazz mode. This is rock mode. And finally we have the dance mode. So you can set the EQ to whichever mode you personally like. Now let me show you how the touch controls work on it. The touch controls are present on top of the volume knob and you can use them to change the music track. Just like this. You can swipe left or right to go to the next or the previous music track. That's a really nice feature. Coming to the battery life, it has a huge 5000 mAh battery and the battery life was pretty good. On an average, I was getting around 7 hours of music playtime at 70% volume level. And charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took around 4 hours. So that was my review on the Netgen Morgen Hi-Fi Stereo Bluetooth speaker. I really loved it. The build quality is top notch, love the retro look, it also has NFC for super fast connection, a dedicated EQ knob and has amazing audio quality. I can definitely tell you'll be very satisfied with this product. It costs around 6,500 rupees and is available on Amazon. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.